we are introducing the investment opportunities that are emerging in the new state of Andhra Pradesh, which was recently carved out in June 2014. We are just a state which is coming up, we call it the Sunrise State, and the vision of the Chief Minister has been encapsulated in this: a society without poverty, a state which is a center of technology, and a joyous population confident of its bright future. That is what we want Andhra Pradesh to be. The broad approach to the development of Andhra Pradesh is based on three components. One is the 7 missions which the government of Andhra Pradesh wants to launch: a mission for the primary sector, which includes agriculture and animal husbandry, the urban sector, the industry sector, infrastructure, services, skill development, and social empowerment. And to achieve this, the state needs to be connected through a grid which will comprise of a water grid, a road grid, fiber optic grid, a gas-based grid, and also the power grid. Apart from these developmental activities, it's important that we involve the society at large in all our activities, especially on the social side. That's why the state has launched several campaigns like bringing the children to school and ensuring that every child is able to get to school, and then planning for a fight against poverty, then preserving our environment through a program involving tree plantation and water conservation, and then focusing on agriculture activities, and lastly sanitation program which the Prime Minister has launched recently. We also want a Swachh Andhra Pradesh, and our vision is to reach a high state of development in the next 15 years. As you all know, the Chief Minister was the architect of the Vision 2020 document, which he planned about 15 years ago. Now we are looking at the development of the state much faster. Within 15 years, by 2029, we want to be one of the top states in the country with a high level of satisfaction among the people. Now coming to the industrial sector, the key pillars on which the industrial growth, as you all know, in any state is dependent on the primary driver is a visionary leadership. In fact, in the corporate circles, people say that leadership is all that matters. Even for the development of a state, leadership is important. We certainly have that, and we also assure our prospective entrepreneurs around the clock power supply, which is not available in many states in this country today. Thanks to the support from the central government, we are one of the 3 states in India where round the clock power supply is possible, along with Rajasthan and Delhi. Besides that, the Chief Minister has been making a lot of efforts to improve the electrical grid, as also the generation stations, with focus on green power like solar and wind energy development. And effective law and order is very important if industries have to come. That is also one of the important areas where our government is effectively focusing. Then coming to the most important thing which really troubles any prospective businessman is the lack of a conducive environment for investment. That is ease of doing business, which the Government of India also has been talking about, and we have brought out a single window policy. We also have a escort officer system. We had a single window policy way back in 2002, which was not very effective. So now we are coming out with a new policy which will be more effective and which can take care of the clearances within 60 days for all type of industries.